everybody, happy Monday. We're officially back at home, sadly, and we got in pretty late last night. By the time we got home, it was like 9, and we've been traveling since 4 a.m. So we're kind of tired today, but we have to get our life together, and I thought I'd take you guys kind of through like my after vacation routine, getting my life back on track, what we're gonna do to get our lives together. I'm really happy. Today is actually a holiday in Canada. It's civic holiday. We were originally going to stay in Florida until today, and then we were like, no, we should probably come back so we have a day to get our lives together, and I am so happy I did that. So just a word of advice to you guys, unless your flight's like, I guess, early enough, take the next day off because it's literally a lifesaver. So I don't even know what time it is. Maybe like 10-ish. We slept in, well needed sleep. And now we're gonna like unpack and kind of get our lives together. And I'm drinking a ton of water because I just don't think I drank enough water traveling yesterday. So first step is to drink a lot of water. And the second step is to make a to-do list because I have a lot to get done today. Like vacation is done. We have to get back on track. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a to-do list of everything that I need to get done today. And then we'll start tackling it. We're not going to overwhelm ourselves, so we're going to start slowly, which I highly recommend to everyone, but I just need to basically unpack and organize and clean my bathroom, and then I have to just get like a lot of computer work done. Like I have to edit a ton of videos and do thumbnails and stuff like that, so it's going to be basically like unpacking in a very computer heavy day. You guys, okay, our suitcase, and now I'm just gonna separate everything into probably like a wash pile. Well, I think we're gonna wash everything just because we were traveling, but I'm gonna separate everything that needs to be washed, and then also just like stuff that needs to be organized and put away. And yeah, I don't want to unpack. It makes it so real that you're home from vacation. I don't want to do it. Take this off first. Oh, an explosion. Okay. Unpacking, I guess I can show you guys everything that we got. We didn't get a ton of souvenirs, which I'm actually really proud of us for. Like we really didn't get much at all. But what did we get? So we had a few presents from my parents that, because it was obviously just our birthdays, they had gotten us and they were planning on shipping, so it just kind of worked out that we surprised them. But the first thing we got was I can't believe we fit this in our suitcase. It's just a Disney welcome mat. I had asked for this, but it is just a Run Disney Tervis from 2021, and it got like a little beat up, but that's okay. It just looks like this, and I think it's so cute, and it has the Every Mile is Magic on it. And then going along with that, my stepmom surprised me and got me the Run Disney ears, which is exciting because they're so cute. So this is what they look like. Little castle on them, and then the Run Disney. And then they say Run Disney 2021 on them. So I love these so much. Cute cups. So this one has cups. We'll stitch like summer Mickey with like fruit and stuff. I love it. And then I'm so excited to put this on my desk. I love the Carousel of Progress, and they got me this cute little sign for my... I asked for this book for my birthday, which is just Matt Fitzgerald's 80-20 running. Just a little training method book. Really excited to read that. And then New Orleans. You guys could probably tell by the New Orleans vlog, we loved French truck coffee. And so we ended up picking up some coffee from there. This is just the Commanders. We're obsessed with Nola coffee, so we had to pick some of this up. So we got one for us, and then also one for Matt's mom and dad, just to say thank you for watching Stella. And then I didn't get any Nola shirts, but I did get a French truck coffee shirt because I thought that would be cute. So it just says French truck coffee, and then I just like love the back on it. So that was kind of like our souvenir. We did the Garden District tour, and we bought this really cute little guide, which I'm probably just gonna put in like our memory box. And then we also, I obviously had to get this. It was just a little postcard, but it's like a Disney postcard or Disney inspired. So I love that. And then I don't think we got any souvenirs in here. I think this is just stuff for like our memory box, because Matt and I kind of like keep everything. And this also has like all of our receipts, because it was like the New Orleans part of the trip was a business expense. So I just have like a bunch of like souvenirs. We took home one of the coasters from the brew house we went to. I didn't even say it, but if you guys can tell, I'm peeling. I'm very sorry, but I got a little sun. So that's everything that we got. I'm gonna unload my backpack now and then lay everything out and then just start putting stuff away. I think that's the easiest way, is to just lay everything out on the floor and then put everything in its home. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, that's a good plan. I was getting so warm unpacking, but I managed to unpack our suitcase, unpack the backpack. I did organize my office. I need to organize the bathroom now, so I'm gonna do that and then clean it. And then everything else I have to do is like computer stuff. I have to order espresso pods. I need to add up all my business expenses and put them in my spreadsheet, because if I don't do it today, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna do that. I put everything also back in my purse where it belongs. Like I took my passports and stuff out, and so I'm gonna film an update of what's in my purse soon, because I love this bag, but I just made sure to like put my wallet back and all that kind of stuff, and like take all the masks and stuff out. So my purse is all organized now. I'm actually gonna put this stuff back in here. I did like vacuum and clean up the house before we left, which I always recommend to anyone. That way you're not coming home to like a dirty house, because nothing sucks more than coming home and having to clean like your whole house. Like I need to wipe down some stuff, but I don't need to do a full-on clean, which is really nice. So that is that. Just trying to get like everything kind of set up for work tomorrow, so I'm not like scrambling in the morning. Yeah, that's what's going on. I think I'm gonna need another coffee today though. I am a little sleepy. Alrighty, let's tackle the mess that is the bathroom. Alrighty, we just got in from letting Stella out. I'm gonna edit, I think, a little bit later on, but I want to get the little things out of the way. I find when you get home, it's kind of like any productive day, that doing little things kind of helps you feel more productive. Also, I just kind of realized that some of the things I do are obviously not going to be in everyone's like after vacation routine, like editing videos, but I feel like most of this is relatable. So I want to do the little computer stuff now, and then probably take a break, eat. We need to like go get food and stuff. And then I'll probably edit a little bit later on. So I need to order Nespresso pods, add up my business expenses, and put that in my spreadsheet, because like I said, our whole New Orleans trip is a business expense since we worked with the tourism board and the hotel on it. I can write off all of our food and flights and stuff, so I want to make sure I have that in my spreadsheet. And then I want to pay off our travel credit card. So yeah, let's do it. I've been keeping all of my my business expenses in like a little container like this. And then for the trip, I just had them all in like this little Ziploc. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of those up, put those in, and then go through my credit card transactions, make sure everything is okay, and then pay that off. And order espresso pods. so let's do that. So this is obviously just like my budget spreadsheet, you guys know, but down at the bottom I have a little tab for my write-offs, which this is just how I track it. I'll zoom in for you guys if you're curious. It just has each quarter separated and then like my monthly expenses. So I already put down here part of it. It's like our hotel and our food. I just need to add everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and add up all those expenses and then put those in, and then we'll pay off my credit card. This is how much we spent total on the trip. Go ahead and pay this off. This was like our hotel, all of our food, and kind of everything, and we had budgeted around $1,000 for spending and then $350 for the hotel, so we came right on budget, which is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay that off. I have like a vacation savings, well I did, and then I just transferred it over. That is all done. That off of the to-do list, and now we just need to order some Nespresso pods. We need a ton. We just don't really have any actual pods. Like, oh, there's a bunch of new ones. Oh, it's all the Columbia pods. Ooh, maybe we'll get some of these. I don't know. Let me surf the Nespresso pods, and then I will show you guys what we get. A bunch of the new pods, so this one is new, and then Matt likes to have hot coffee on the way to work, like more than cold coffee I'd say, so I just stocked up on actual coffee pods because we have a bunch of espresso, we just don't have a lot of coffee. And then this one is also new, so just kind of a restock of like all of our favorites. And then we got some bags. We have Groceries, which you guys are gonna laugh when you see how empty our fridge is, but have a stock up. Literally, look how empty this fridge is. It's so sad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. Got Stella a Dunkin' Donut souvenir, and she like literally is holding it like a coffee cup. Oh my god, Stella, you're so cute. Editing Carter coming at you the next day. I just realized I never filmed an outro for this, and to be quite honest with you guys, I was gonna keep the video going into today and film us like putting more stuff away and whatnot, but I thought that it just wouldn't be really realistic. I don't want you guys to think that you have to do like a ton of things to get back on track after vacation. You can literally just unpack and call it a day, and that's honestly totally fine. That's pretty much what we did. I just had like a lot of little things to do, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what's like an essential on your post-vacation routine. I mean, unpacking is like an obvious one, but let me know something else that you guys have to do, non-negotiable, when you guys get back from vacation. I also don't really think I touched on it, but obviously eating fruits and veggies and drinking tons of water. We didn't do enough of that on vacation, and I had like a kombucha and stuff, but I want to come on here and end the vlog off because a lot of our vacation vlogs, I forgot to end the vlogs off, which I know is okay, but I just want to get back in the habit of filming outros. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little post-vacation routine, getting back on track video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!